This is part 4 in the will versus be going to predictions and decisions series. I'd like to say a really big thank you to Test English for allowing me to use their material to make videos to put on YouTube. Thank you. In this video, we're going to go through exercise 1. Choose the correct forms of will and be going to complete the sentences below. If you would like to take your time to think about the answers, I would recommend that you pause the video because I'm going to give the answers straight away. Number 1 and number 2 are very similar. So in number 1 and number 2, A says we don't have any bread. I'm going to do number 2 first. So B says really, and the answer is I'll get some from the shop then. So using will for a spontaneous decision. B decided to buy the bread when A said we don't have any bread. Number 1, A says we don't have any bread and B says, yes, I know. I'm going to buy some. I took some money from your purse. So we're using going to because B made the decision to buy the bread before A said we don't have any bread. And it has to be I'm going to buy, not going to buy, because we need the verb be. I'm going to buy. And it's not I'll buy because it wasn't a spontaneous decision. So I'm going to buy some. Number 3, why do you need to borrow my suitcase? B says, because I. The answer is I'm going to visit my mother in Scotland next month. Because it's a plan. We need going to for a plan. It can't be going to visit because we need the verb to be. And it's not I'll visit because it's not a spontaneous decision. The plan was made before the time of speaking because B had already asked A if they could borrow the suitcase. Number 4, I'm really cold. And B says, I'll turn the heating on. This is a spontaneous decision that B made when A said that they were really cold. Number 5, what are your plans after you leave university? B, I'm going to work in a hospital in Africa. So this plan was made before A asked the question. So it wasn't a spontaneous decision. And again, we need the verb to be. Number 6, all the lights have gone off. Don't worry, I'll take a look. Again, a spontaneous decision. B decided to take a look when A said all the lights had gone off. Number 7, why are you carrying your laptop? I'm going to do some homework on the train. So be going to for a decision made before the time of speaking. A, I can't find my keys. B, I'll help you look for them. Will for a spontaneous decision. 9, did you remember to buy the tickets? Oh no, I forgot. I'll buy them online now. So will for the spontaneous decision. Number 10, if you take a look at this graphic, you can see that the economy is going to get worse. Okay, it has to be going to because the graphic is evidence. And it can't be is going get because we need to. Okay, let's check the answers. Fingers crossed. Okay, I got 100%. In the next video, I'm going to do exercise 2. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you found it useful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.